Love stories hold a special place for Katrina Kaif, and the actress, who looks ethereal as Firdaus in Abhishek Kapoor's Fitoor, says the upcoming movie is an intense saga of love and longing. Katrina plays red-haired beauty Firdaus opposite Aditya Roy Kapoor's Noor in the Kashmir set romance drama, whose trailer and songs have been received well. The USP of the film is its fantastic and powerful theme of first love. It's a classic love story about fighting for one's love. For me, love stories have always worked. People can relate to such stories more easily than other contents, Katrina told PTI in an interview. The actress is very confident about Fitoor, which is a modern retelling of Charles Dickens' classic novel Great Expectations.